Hey everyone, have you ever been somewhere and taken this great video and you cannot wait to post it on Instagram and share it with the world, but then you realize it's way too long? There is a way to do it. Trim it easily and quickly. I'm Cecilia Buckner. In case you don't know me, I am owner of Daybreak Social Media, and I work alongside business owners, Catholic churches, nonprofits, and maximizing their social media. Getting back to that trimming, it's so easy, and there is a way to do it within the Instagram app. You can even add a really cool cover for it. So let's delve into that and show you how it's done. Okay, so we're back and we're going to trim our video on Instagram. So open up the app at the bottom, press that little box with the plus sign. Once you're there, you're going to select video on the bottom right, and it's going to come from our library. So once you're in your library, then you're going to search for the video that you want trimmed. Yeah, remember that you can only trim the length. You can't actually delete a part of the middle of the video. Now, once I start this, it's going to start playing and it's going to be very loud. So give me a few seconds to turn off the sound and then I'll be right back. Okay, the sound is off. All you have to do there, once you reach your video, it opens up, you hit next at the top right, and then up at the very top, you'll see the speaker symbol. Just go ahead and touch on that and it'll turn off your sound. Before we move on from here, I want to remind you, never forget or hesitate to use some of these filters down at the bottom. It's really fun depending on your video. Some of them really lend themselves to maybe a black and white look, or something kind of off or different. I always like to make it pop. Here's my original. With this one, I just like the way the colors just pop, so I'm going to keep that one. In the center at the bottom, you'll see the word trim. We're going to select that one. Now here's my video. It shows that it's currently 54 seconds long, so I'm going to select that, and at the bottom you'll see the trimming feature appears. You'll see the white line going across, and that's as it's playing across, playing through my video. Now, let's say I want to trim the beginning. I'm going to just slide this over to where I would want it. If I'm going to trim the end, I'm going to do the same on the opposite end. Okay? So notice that once I move this piece over here, the side, the end, the white line goes right back to the beginning. So, see, it moves every time. It goes right back to the beginning. So it makes it kind of long and tedious if you're waiting for it to play till the very end. So I want my video to end at 30 seconds. So right there, I'm going to stop it. But instead of waiting 30 seconds to hear it, I'm just going to move it over and listen. And once it reaches the end, then it's going to pop right back up to the beginning. And I kind of like that ending, so I'm going to just slide this over to the beginning, the original position. And now it's ready to go. So I'm going to hit done, and it's going to play it for me. You can't hear it because I have the sound off, but it's playing for 30 seconds as you see down there at the bottom. So once I listen to it, I like it, I think it's perfect, I'm going to trim. So I'm going to hit next. And once I hit next, then I can, actually, let me go back. I'm going to show you what can happen. Once you like it, you've trimmed it, now you can go to cover. And from cover, you can select the picture you want as your cover picture. I like that one. So now you can click next and move on. From here, you just do the same thing you normally do. You can add a caption. You can tag people here. You can add your location if you want. Anything that you normally do on Instagram, you can do here. And then, of course, once you hit share, then it's shared on your feed. So it's really a fun feature to play around with. So check it out. Let me know how if you find success with it and how you like it. See you next time.